You're going to loosen the screws on the handle. Start off with both the top and the bottom. And you need to take the main fastening screw of the lock, so just follow around and find the screw on the side here. Take it out completely and put it somewhere safe. You're going to apply some pressure on the back of the lock and just turn the key a little bit and you'll feel it give and the whole thing will just come out. Then we need two measurements. You're going to measure from the outside of the lock to the middle of the hole, which is 30mm on this lock, and then from the middle of the hole to the other side, which is 35mm. Then you reverse the process to pop the lock back in. And give it a bit of a wiggle to get it in position. You need your main fixing screw back and pop that in. And don't forget that you've got to fasten your handle, screws at the bottom and top.